If you've ever stared at a peptide vial trying to figure out how much bacteriostatic water to add, and then tried to calculate what that means on an insulin syringe, you know how easy it is to get this wrong. Too little bacteriostatic water, and your draw is so small it's impossible to measure accurately. Too much, and you're injecting a large volume every single dose. And if the math is off, your dose is off. That's exactly why we built the Protocol Peptide Reconstitution Calculator. It's free, it covers over 45 compounds, and it eliminates the math entirely. Let me walk you through how it works. Before we get into the calculator, here's the core concept in plain English. Peptide reconstitution is the process of dissolving freeze-dried peptide powder, called lyophilized powder, into bacteriostatic water to create an injectable solution. The powder is measured in milligrams. The solution you draw into your syringe is measured in units, where a standard U100 insulin syringe gives you 100 units per milliliter. The amount of bacteriostatic water you add controls the concentration. More water means a lower concentration and a larger draw per dose, easier to measure. Less water means a higher concentration and a smaller draw, better if you want to minimize injection volume. Now let's use the calculator to find the right number for your setup. Let's use BPC-157 as our example, the most widely researched repair peptide with over 50 published studies. When you select a compound, the calculator automatically shows you common dose options. You can see 250 micrograms and 500 micrograms as the typical BPC-157 dose chips. Just tap one to fill it in automatically. You can also change the dose by manually entering it into target dose field. You can also change from micrograms to milligrams if you prefer. We'll go with 250 micrograms per dose, a standard starting protocol. Now enter your peptide amount. This is the total milligrams of powder in the vial. Most BPC-157 comes in 5 milligram vials, and here's the key field that unlocks the most powerful feature, the vial volume. This is the physical capacity of your vial. We'll use 3 milliliters. Here's where it gets interesting. This is the concentration slider, and it's what makes this calculator different from anything else out there. Once you enter your vial volume, the slider appears and automatically snaps to the recommended position, what we call the easy draw. That's a 20-unit draw on a U100 syringe, which is comfortable to measure and easy to see. Slide left and you get a more concentrated solution, less bacteriostatic water, smaller draw per dose. Better for people who want to minimize injection volume. Slide right and you get a more diluted solution, more BAC water, larger draw. Easier to measure precisely. Every number updates live as you slide. You can see the BAC water amount. That's how much to add to your vial. Your draw in units, the exact volume in milliliters, your concentration per unit, and how many doses you'll get from this vial. And below that, a custom syringe visualization showing exactly where to draw. No guessing, no charts, no math. We've included a complete step-by-step reconstitution guide so you have everything you need in one place. Step 1. Calculate your bacteriostatic water amount using the slider above. Step 2. Clean your workspace and wipe both vials with an alcohol swab. Step 3. Draw the BAC water into your syringe. Step 4. Add it to the peptide vial slowly. Angle the needle so the water runs down the inside wall. Never inject directly onto the powder cake. Step 5. Swirl gently. Never shake. The solution should go completely clear. And Step 6. Store it in the refrigerator, write the date on the vial, and log your reconstitution. We've also included a quick reference table for the most common peptides: BPC-157, TB-500, GHKCU, CJC-1295, Ipamorelin, Semaglutide, Tirzepatide, and more. Each row shows the common vial size, typical dose, recommended BAC water, and the draw in units. These are the most common starting points, but use the calculator above for your specific setup, because vial sizes vary between suppliers. The Protocol Peptide Reconstitution Calculator is completely free at protocolapp.health. Once there, you'll find other valuable resources like our compound library and stack protocols. If you want the calculator built directly into your dose log, so your draw units auto-calculate every time you log a dose, the Protocol mobile app is free to download and comes with a free 14-day trial. Link in the description. Subscribe if you want more guides on peptide protocols and the latest peptide news.